Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brandon C with Sharp and Clicks Digital Marketing. And in this video, I want to show you how you can find anyone's email address. We all have our reasons. I reach out to different publishers, executives in order to be able to get backlinks to boost my SEO presence for clients. You may want to reach out to people for different marketing opportunities or certain influencers to do some influencing marketing. You may have an e-commerce store needing to reach out to suppliers or distributors. Or you may be an employee looking for different job opportunities. So you may want to find someone on LinkedIn that's in a position to make those decisions and directly send them an email with your application. So whatever it is, I'm going to teach you how to get anyone's email. So let's get going. The first thing you need to know is the website hunter.io. That's hunter.io. Okay, here you get a free account. You get up to 50 searches per month, which is awesome for the free account. So go ahead and sign up for that. Here you can type in the company name. And for this example, I'm going to use Miss Mackenzie Harper. Say I'm looking for a job at Bridgestone here in Nashville. I already looked her up on LinkedIn. I will do a video on how to filter and look up specific people on LinkedIn as well after this. But I searched for her and I found out she's in human resources. She's the talent management division. So I'm pretty sure if I give her my resume, it's in good hands. And I'm not just sending her a message here on LinkedIn like everybody spams on there. I'm sending a professional email. So I know she works for Bridgestone. Okay. So what I'm going to do is come here to hunter.io and go to email finder. This right here, if you type in the company name, it'll just pull up everyone in that company. So if you type in Bridgestone Americas, it'll just pull up everyone in that company. That's a great way to find emails as well. But I want to be more specific, so I'm going to find her and I'm going to type in her name. I gave it away. Here we go. Let me copy her name, Mackenzie Harper. All right. And she works for Bridgestone Americas. Boom. We have her email right there. So we can save it. We can go to our Gmail. We can add this to a list. Whatever you want to do with these emails you're getting. You can also go to a website called neverbounce.com. They give you up to 1,000 for free to verify. You can put that in to ensure that that's a correct email, which I've done already. You can see accept all. Also, you can do that here in Hunter.io under verifier. You can put the email address in and verify, and they'll tell you it's valid. And you can always go to neverbounce.com. So that's how you do it. If you like this, if this gave you value, go ahead and subscribe, like the video. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.